Thinking of investing in Brazil? You might want to think twice. Corruption is a major issue, ranking the country among the worst globally. From bribery to political interference, businesses often face hidden costs and legal uncertainties. Investors have lost millions due to fraudulent deals and government instability. If you're not prepared for the risks, your investment could vanish overnight. Let's dive into why Brazil's corruption problem is a serious threat to your money. Brazil's corruption isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's systemic. The infamous car wash scandal exposed billions in bribes involving politicians and corporations. Even top executives from global companies were caught in the web. The justice system struggles to hold the guilty accountable, and political interference is common. If major corporations can't escape corruption, what chance does a foreign investor have? The risks are real, and they could cost you more than just money. Bribery is a way of life in Brazil's business world. Need a permit? Expect delays unless you grease the wheels. Government contracts? They often go to those who pay the right people. Even law enforcement isn't immune. Police corruption is rampant. Foreign investors unfamiliar with these practices can find themselves stuck in endless red tape, or worse, unknowingly involved in illegal activities. If you're not careful, your business could be compromised before it even starts. Political instability makes Brazil even riskier for investors. Corruption scandals frequently topple governments, leading to sudden policy changes. One day your investment is secure, the next, new regulations or taxes could wipe out your profits. Foreign companies have faced unexpected legal battles due to shifting political alliances. If you're investing in Brazil, you're not just betting on the market, you're gambling on the country's unpredictable political landscape. Judicial corruption is another major concern. Court cases can drag on for years, and rulings often favor those with political connections. Foreign investors have found themselves entangled in legal battles they never saw coming. Even when the law is on your side, enforcement is weak. Winning a case doesn't guarantee justice. Sometimes it just means more bribes. If you're investing in Brazil, be prepared for a legal system that doesn't always play fair. Public infrastructure projects are a goldmine for corruption. Billions are allocated, but much of it disappears into the pockets of officials and contractors. Roads, bridges, and public services often remain unfinished or poorly built. If your investment relies on government contracts or infrastructure, expect delays, inflated costs, and potential fraud. Many foreign companies have been burned by corrupt deals, leaving them with massive losses. In Brazil, even public projects come with hidden dangers. Tax fraud and financial crimes are rampant in Brazil. Businesses often face unexpected audits, and tax laws are complex and inconsistently enforced. Corrupt officials may demand bribes to fix tax issues, putting foreign investors in a tough spot. Even legitimate businesses can be accused of fraud if they refuse to play along. If you're not familiar with Brazil's tax system, you could find yourself paying more than just your fair share. Money laundering is a major issue in Brazil's financial sector. Corrupt banks and businesses help criminals move illicit funds, making it risky for legitimate investors. Even if you operate legally, you could unknowingly be linked to money laundering schemes. International regulators have flagged Brazil's financial system for weak oversight. If your business gets caught in the wrong transaction, you could face serious legal trouble, even if you had no idea what was happening. Foreign investors often face extortion and threats. Corrupt officials, criminal organizations, and even competitors may use intimidation tactics to gain leverage. Some businesses have been forced to pay protection money just to operate. If you refuse, you could face legal troubles, sudden inspections, or even physical threats. Investing in Brazil isn't just about financial risk. It's about navigating a system where power often trumps the law. Are you ready for that challenge? So, is investing in Brazil worth the risk? Corruption, political instability, and legal uncertainty make it a dangerous game. While some investors succeed, many lose everything. If you're considering Brazil, do your homework. Hire local experts and prepare for unexpected challenges. Corruption isn't just a possibility. It's a reality. The question is, are you willing to take the gamble? Think carefully before putting your money into one of the world's most corrupt markets.